Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we're going to continue new chapter which is center of gravity and centroid. The chapter outline, we're going to study about the center of gravity, then stability, centroid of body together with example. So what is center of gravity or G? Center of gravity is a point which locate the entire weight of the body to act. Also, G is a balance point of any body. As you can see here for this ball, at the middle and the center of this ball, here lay the center of gravity. At that point, it can rotate freely in all directions. Also, the summation of all forces and moment at G equal to 0. G for uniform body or homogeneous is located at the midpoint or its geometric center. And G for non-uniform body is located at the direction of greater mass. Here the exercise you can do to identify where is G when you try to hold your ruler with your fingers. Once it balances both sides, that's the point of G. Here is center of gravity for regular shape. For any shape in here, at the middle of that shape lay center of gravity. The line here is a symmetry line. The intersection, center of gravity. Here is another example about what is the symmetry. For this square, when we try to fold that and we get the same shape or symmetry shape, there lay the line of center gravity. And the intersection for another line is center of gravity. You can try to do this exercise by folding any symmetry shape to find center of gravity by yourself. For the irregular shape, as you can see in here, some exercise for you to do by yourself. And you need to use string or you can use the plumb line. This is the plumb line to identify the vertical line. Next here, the exercise for you to try as well. What you can do, first of all, try to hold at any point of your shape, then tie your plumb line, then once it's static and stable, draw a line through that plumb line. Next, you move to second point. So this is the green line. Then for the second one, hold your plumb line and draw another line. So we have an intersection. Next, hold at another point and draw another plumb line. So that intersection is center of gravity for this shape. Also bear in mind, G is not necessary within the body. It can be outside of this shape or outside of any body. Now what is center of mass? Center of mass is a point which the entire weight of the body is concentrated. It's a balance point of body, and if the gravitational is constant, the center of mass and G will be the same point. Here you can see the center of mass for human body at the same position when they are doing different movement, and it's in balance position. So what is important of gravity center? It's important to analyze human movement, and is need to apply for Newton's third law, which is motion. If G is located outside of the body, it will cause turning effect or moment, and the body become unstable. Here in this photo, you can see some activity by human when moving their body. So the center of gravity will be different for certain movement. As you can see here, when this person try to bowl, the center of gravity will move outside of human body. Similar to this figure when try to bend. So what is stability? Stability is a point of equilibrium of the body at rest and its ability to maintain its original position. It can be affected by its center of gravity and base area. A body is stable when G is vertically within its base support. As you can see in here, the base support is bigger. Therefore, this box is stable. However, when you try to turn this box at certain angle, it become unstable because the base support getting smaller. And terribly, when you try to move further, the base support very small than previous, it will be toppled and certainly unstable. Here is some example in our daily life. As you can see in figure 2, for the car movement on the road at certain angle, for example, we say this is road at the same angle, theta, the green car going to topples, but the black car does not topple over. Why this happen? This is because the base of the black car is bigger than the green car. Therefore, the black car doesn't topple over. As you can see in figure 3, for the same bus moving on different road at different angle. Therefore, as we can see, certainly for this bus is going to topples over. However, this bus just alright and can take that road. Also, this situation you're going to study in your highway when you're going to design super elevation, where you're going to decide the suitable angle for your highway. And for this one, certainly the mechanical engineer going to design what kind of the car and what kind of the design will give better stable when try to make a move on highway. As a civil engineer, we going to design this highway. Besides this situation, stability is important for designing for any shape. For example, for us as civil engineer, certainly for building, and for mechanical engineer related to their vehicles, and also furniture, any apparatus, utensil, and our daily tool, we need to apply the stability. Here is the factors affect the stability. As you can see here, size of the base, horizontal distance, height of the G, mass of the body, direction of the base. For this one, when they are fighting, they're going to make a wide base by opening their leg. Therefore, it's going to lower of the G. And also when they bend, also going to lower their G. And for this motorcycle and this cyclist, when they bend forward, it going to lower their G. And for this car, make it lower, certainly lower of the G. And for this double-decker bus, to make it stable, can use heavy engine. And also, as you can see here, when someone paddling their boat, we have to sit. Therefore, it will lower our G when we do our botting exercise. Here are the three situations you can see where the situation is stable, unstable, and neutral. You can try this activity to understand the situation of stable, unstable, and neutral.